Are you stuck logged into Zoho and can't switch accounts? Learn how to sign out in under 30 seconds. We'll cover the exact steps to sign out, then how to sign back in. Let's start with opening Zoho. To start, open Zoho in your browser. Now, look for your profile icon, usually in the top right corner, and click on it to open a drop-down menu. Then, from that menu, go ahead and click on Sign Out to log out of your account. Once you're signed out, you'll see the Sign In page. If you want to log back in, click on Sign In. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.